Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to post left job on Facebook. So you have to just open the Facebook on the Android device. So I can open the Facebook browser and you have to click to the post and there is the live or event. So you have to click live event and there is work option. So you have to click to the work and there is left job. So here is the title is the left job. So you can mention where you from left the job. So I will left my job example like McDonald's. So I will mention it McDonald's and it is the capital of town. So I will mention it clearly, the McDonald's capital of town. So you have to mention it. So you can see it. There is the updated post that as you have been left the job from McDonald, the capital town. So I will post it. So here is can very easily you can post left job on the Facebook. So you can see there is clearly left job on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.